Ready to take your English from polite to playful? In the UK, banter is an art form, and British humour comes with its own set of idioms. Whether you're pulling someone's leg, taking the mick, or just being a bit cheeky, these expressions are key to sounding natural and connecting with locals. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and this is lesson 19 of our British Idioms speaking course. The full course, you can find a link up, I think it's this side. You can find a link to the full course here. Today, we're having a laugh with 5 brilliant idioms all about humour, teasing, and classic British banter. I'll break them down, and then we'll listen to them in a conversation full of playful teasing, and then practice together so you can join in the fun without accidentally insulting anyone. Well, not too much anyway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because our final lesson is just around the corner. Here are the 5 British idioms and the meanings which we will be working with today. Idiom number 1 is take the mick. Meaning tease or make fun of someone in a light-hearted way, in a fun way, not serious. Idiom number 2, pull someone's leg. Joke or trick someone playfully. You're having a bit of a laugh with someone and you play a trick on them. Idiom number 3, have a laugh. Enjoy a joke or a fun moment, generally at somebody. And then idiom number 4, sarcasm is the lowest form of wit. A joking phrase used when someone's being sarcastic, often sarcastically. And then the last one is cheeky. Playfully rude or bold, often in a funny way. Now, on to the speaking part. Let me tell you first how the speaking part works. Part 1, you listen only. Enjoy listening to a lively conversation full of teasing, humour and classic British banter, and listen to how it's said, pronounced, and that's part 1. In part 2, it's your turn to speak. One side of the conversation will be muted. What I want you to do is read the words on the screen, so you and I are having a conversation. I'll say one part, you say the other part. Now match the tone and the cheekiness and have a bit of fun at the same time. And in part 3, we swap roles. I say what you said and you say what I said, and do the same thing. Match the tone, the cheekiness, and just have a bit of fun at the same time. And this way you'll get a full interactive conversation, you learning or practicing on both sides of the conversation. So, here we go with the conversation. Are you ready? Good. Now, today's conversation is humour and banter. Imagine we're 2 friends hanging out on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Here we go. Nice haircut, mate. Did you ask for just a woke up in a hedge look?
Ew, don't take the mick. This style is in, I'll have you know.
In where? The local zoo?
Right, that's it. I'm pulling your leg later about those socks. Who wears pineapples with sandals?
It's called fashion, mate. You wouldn't understand.
We're having a laugh though, right? All in good fun.
Obviously, no real offence taken, just cheeky Sunday banter.
Well, if we're being cheeky, I should mention your cooking. That chili you made? Criminal.
Oi, that chili had flavour. Your taste buds are just basic.
Sure they are. And sarcasm is the lowest form of wit, right?
Yeah. But it's also the funniest.
Fair play. Now pass me that last biscuit before I say something actually rude.
Nice haircut, mate. Did you ask for just a woke up in a hedge look? In where? The local zoo? It's called fashion, mate. You wouldn't understand. Obviously, no real offence taken, just cheeky Sunday banter. Oi, that chili had flavour. Your taste buds are just basic. Yeah. But it's also the funniest. Oi, don't take the mick. This style is in, I'll have you know. Right, that's it. I'm pulling your leg later about those socks. Who wears pineapples with sandals? We're having a laugh though, right? All in good fun. Well, if we're being cheeky, I should mention your cooking. That chili you made, criminal. Sure they are. And sarcasm is the lowest form of wit, right? Fair play. Now pass me that last biscuit before I say something actually rude. Banter is a huge part of British culture, and now you've got 5 top idioms to join the fun. Remember, it's not about being mean. It's about timing, tone, and knowing your audience. Bit of a challenge for you. Drop a comment using one of these idioms or phrases. Maybe someone took the mick out of your outfit, or you were being a bit cheeky with a mate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because lesson 20, our final episode, is all about reflections and advice, packed with idioms for life, wisdom, and moving forward. And I will see you in that video. Bye for now.